Nnamdi Kanu faces fresh terrorism charge. The Nigerian government has again filed amended charges against the leader of a proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. The amended 15-count charge, bordering on acts of terrorism, was filed Friday, January 14, at the Federal High Court in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The charge sheet was signed by the Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation, MB Abubakar, on behalf of Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami. Count 1 of the charge reads that you, Nnamdi Kanu, male, adult of Afatanuku, Ibeku, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, sometime in 2021, being a member and leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, a proscribed organization, did commit an act in furtherance of an act of terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria by making a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of this honorable court with intent to intimidate the population, and you threatened that people will die, the whole world will stand still, and you thereby committed an offense punishable under Section 1, subsection 2, subsection B of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013, that you, Nnamdi Kanu, male, adult of Afatanuku, Ibeku, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, on diverse dates between the month of March and April 2015, imported into Nigeria and kept in Ubili Siozo in Ihiala Local Government Area of Anambra State, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, a radio transmitter known as Tram 500L, concealed in a container of used household items, which you declared as used household items, and you thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 47, subsection 2, subsection A of the Criminal Code Act, Cap C45, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. Another count read. In October last year, the government had filed an amended 7-count charge against the detained IPOB leader, charges which bordered on treasonable felony and his alleged involvement in acts of terrorism at the same court. Justice Binta Nyako, who was to preside over the case, later fixed Tuesday, January 18, to hear some pending applications, including the one Kanu filed to be discharged and acquitted. Barely a day to the scheduled commencement of the accelerated hearing, the government, in the amended process it filed before the court, increased the counts in the previous charge it preferred against the detained IPOB leader. Kanu, initially facing a 7-count treasonable felony charge, will now enter his fresh plea to a 15-count amended charge. He was first arrested in 2015 on charges bordering on terrorism, treasonable felony, managing an unlawful society, publication of defamatory matter, illegal possession of firearms, and improper importation of goods, among others. The IPOB leader, who was initially detained and arraigned in court, fled the country in 2017 after he was granted bail for medical reasons. Although he was later cited in Israel, he was intercepted in June 2021 and repatriated to Nigeria about 4 years since he jumped bail. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe so you can get notifications.